not have, every. Na 32 года, on no hoe and no pea, he slept in his car every night, watching inhumanly cold. Release. He walked into a gas station, converter, a woman in worn clothes, how trying. She looked at the cashier and whispered, "I'm." He stared at the dollar in his hand, his lit foo or with he place. The woman froze. The ass and did. He hungry, cold. But something, the hit a numb, the voice said. You have. I own a company, and some the change. Weeks he move. Today he, and he stone. Not be, but kind. If this story moved you, because could.